Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the PassFab Android Unlocker. If you forgot your phone password and you don't know what to do, then this software will help you to unlock your phone, but you'll have to delete all your data. This software will help you to bypass Android lock screen password. You can unlock a second-hand phone or tablet. If you are buying a second-hand phone, you can unlock Samsung devices without data loss, and it is available in the Windows only. You can remove all these type of Android lock screen, whether it is the pin or pattern, password or fingerprint. You can remove all these types of Android lock screen using this software. And for the Samsung, we get to see the FRP lock removal tool, which works only on Samsung phones, including the S22 series. So you can get rid of all the factory set protection. Without even losing the data, you can bypass this Google security on the Samsung devices. These are the technical specs, like it supports almost all the Android devices and supports up till Android 11. Then these are the 3 steps to unlock your Android screen. Connect the device, then confirm and start to unlock the screen, and then unlock the locked Android screen successfully. That is it. These are the only 3 steps you need to do, which I'll show you. So watch the video till the end. Now, to use this software, you have to download this software. Just click on the download option and this free trial, just download this. I have already downloaded it. Now I'll show you the setup process. Double click on the setup, then click on install. After the installation is complete, this is the UI which you will get to see. Now when you just click on the remove screen lock, then this is what it will show you. Now you need to connect your phone to the computer, and so here, as you can see, here is my Redmi Note 3 on which I have forgotten the password and I don't know the password, so I am not able to unlock the phone. So now just connect the phone, just click on start button. After clicking on start button, this will be the process it will do. As you can see, it will identify what phone you have, what company phone you have, and according to that it will show you the steps which you need to follow. So here are these steps which we need to follow. It is showing long press the power button to power off the phone. So first of all, just power off the phone. After phone is turned off, just press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Press and hold both the buttons until you see the Mi logo. After you see the Mi logo, just release those buttons and you will be able to see this kind of UI. This is the recovery mode. This is called the recovery mode. Now you will be able to see this green button on the software. Just click on and it will go to the next page and show you the other things what you need to follow. It will show you the other steps. You will be able to navigate through the volume buttons only. So volume up button for the up, volume down button to go down, and to select the option you need to press the power button. So just select the wipe data, then press the power button, select the confirm, and then reboot to system. So just precisely follow all these steps which it is showing, and that is it. Now your phone will be formatted and it will be a completely new phone. As you can see here, it is showing remove the screen lock successfully. And now you need to set up your phone as a completely new device. All your data will be gone. So this is the only way to remove the lock screen on the Android phones other than Samsung phones. So for Samsung phones, you can recover your data without data loss, and only supports early Samsung devices, it is showing here. For Samsung phone, you get to see the remove Google lock FRP, and this will show you the steps in the same way what you need to do. So this software will come helpful to the old people who just don't know what to do when they are in these kinds of situations. So whenever they have forgotten their password, they don't know what to do. This software will give the step-by-step instructions what they need to do to format their phone. So to download this software, the link will be available in the description below and you can just download and try it out. But if you want to unlock your phone without the data loss, it is going to work on the Samsung phones, then you need to buy this software. So if you want to buy this software, then these are the prices. For the PassFab, we also get to see the many other softwares like the iPhone activation tool. Also we get to see when iPhone screen unlocker we get to see, so which I'll show you in the next video, the PassFab iPhone unlocker. So just stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.